Hello, you good people. It's coming into the summer season, and as you know, you've got to get the boats nice and ready and all polished up and fixed up. So I thought I might just give you a quick clip of one way to polish up the bits and pieces on your boat to make it look really good. So usually I have a tripod, but one of my kids has hooked it or pinched it to make some social media videos. Anyway, here goes. I'll show you what I've got. Here you go. So this is like fairly dull. And so what I'm going to use is this machine, our Shumba polisher, which is a 750 watt, and this compound, which is called Multi-Shine. It's a great blue compound. It's nice and dry, so you don't get grease on your bits and pieces. Yeah, it's all right. We'll have a go. So here you go. Chuck the machine on. And you literally just need to hold it there for a couple of seconds. And then once that's done, check this out. And you don't really need to do it for long. It really depends on the condition of your chrome. So what's really good about this little combination is you can polish up like dull chrome, dull stainless steel, dull alloy, just bring it up to a beautiful shine again. Chuck on a bit of metal polish and Bob's your uncle. It's looking great again, and it doesn't take long. So yeah, give it a go. But if you have a look, ta-da! How good is that? Wow. Yeah. So get on to our website, polishup.com.au, buy yourself a white stitch calico wheel and a little bar of Multi-Shine compound, and off you go. It'll bring everything up to look awesome. Have a good weekend, people. Cheers now.